Good afternoon from Daytona Beach. My name is Arslan and welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing. Oh my, what is this sad airplane now doing here? Anyways, back into the video. Today I'm gonna unbox this Hawaiian Airlines Daron plane, single plane. This airline is originated in Hawaii. If you have experience on Hawaiian Airlines, please leave me in the comments below with the link on it so I can watch it later. I've never experienced this airline before, so I still think it's a good one. It's a little box. Alright, now I'm gonna try to open. Come on. Hold on. Please enjoy the views of the ocean while enjoy the views now of the Daytona Beach while I try to open this. Finally, I got this ripped, and here it is. My hands on this plane. Oh my, it's very short. It's very nice. As you many may not know, I'm out of town. I'm not in Union Prairie, which is my hometown. I'm in Daytona Beach. I told you in the early videos. Sorry for my finger. You can see that the wings are nice. There's that a girl with the flower on it. Hawaiian titles. Oh well. And the plane looks nice. I'm gonna put that. Let me put this back in the box. Go ahead and look at the plane for now. Try to see the details for now. Comment down below if you see any more details that I did not explain this before. And here it is. Nice looking plane. I kind of purchased this on Walmart. My parents have purchased this in Walmart though, and yes. Anyways, thanks for watching this Hawaiian Airlines video. If you want to see more, if you want to see my random video, if you want to see my most populated videos and get more viewers, go here. Subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.